3 days ago, I'm working on putting a motor back in the Envoy, and now I don't even know what to say. Spent like this last day and a half, 2 days. It's gonna do it all night, hopefully. And these are some decent sized flakes. And that is, but we're filming this intro as we're finishing the day. So now let's get the footage going backwards and show you what we did today and what we've done over the past 2 days, and then talk about one of our parts. It's around this time that everything starts to get a little hectic. As we were driving through town, we ended up heading out towards the woods and a known trailhead, Abernathy in Longview, Washington. On the way to the trailhead, we ended up running into numerous cars stuck on the side of the road and decided why not start helping. Unfortunately, this guy said, hey, pull up and just bump me instead of hooking up. So at first, I went to pull up and monster trucked onto his car. So let's see that.
Up so I don't take the back of your car off, because it definitely will. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm tall enough, I'm gonna go up on top of you.
let's back down now, right? I'm just gonna set the GoPro up like this. Seems like a way better idea. Okay, I'll go like this. And let's take pictures, obviously. When you're gonna go up into the woods like this, probably plan to go up into the woods like this and not just, hey, let's go where I ride dirt bikes and shoot guns in the summer. After getting a ways up to the top, we found about 3 to 4 feet of snow. Up there, it was more or less go a few inches, stop, go a few inches, stop. So we stopped. We decided, let's play like big kids and sled and save a couple more people and turn around and start heading back down the hill. Not after, of course, backing down one too many trails and getting stuck. Let's carry on, shall we?
I should have gotten life insurance before we headed out.
Oh, fuck! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You alive? Did you break anything?
Dude, that was awesome! Oh my god! I couldn't, the whole way down I couldn't see. I was just like, no!
That was great. Dude, it's very good.
That's what she said.
Really see your head.
That was so much fun! I've never had that much fun. Except with you, Nick. Took so much in my eyes. Yeah, this is my Gewalt, boy. Too much willpower. I'm gonna try, boy. Wash. All right. I'm gonna come forward a little. Willpower. Yeah, you come forward a bit. And then I gotta stop for picture. Alright, Bubba.
Big yawn.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
Thankfully around this corner is the store. bushes on the left. I'm fine. I'll drive in the ditch and drive down the ditch the whole way.
Just a quick little video for today. Just us playing, having fun with the family, watching the dogs. Boys, what are you doing, boys? Playing on the tires. Hey, rah. Just everybody having a blast. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, this is what we do. We have fun with the family. We beat on the big block truck. I wish one of the Turbo LS trucks was ready to go outside, but the dogs are getting crazy, and that means it's time to get in and get some dinner. So with that, we're gonna let you guys go. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Average Joe Builds, out.
Get him. Get him.